Everyone knows about the latest Google update and the closure of free sites built with a Google Business Profile in March 2024. The quick alternative, you might ask. When you look up articles and videos on the internet, you find that you have no idea where, how, and what is the appropriate option to pick in your case. With MRism, you got nothing to worry about. In this video, you will learn how to make a free professional looking website using Google Sites and replace your soon-to-be closed website without having any coding skills. Before we get into it, let's talk about you as a local business owner. What do you think of the free business profile website? Ever thought of the classification and ranking of your business in local searches online? Practically speaking, the website, or rather the landing page, is limited to only displaying basic information such as your business name, address, and contact details. Customer reviews, images of your products, services, and offers, along with work hours. When it comes to local SEO though, what do you expect from a one-page website? How high would it rank? How much content would be indexed? How many backlinks would it get you? Not as much if you ask us. One of the main factors this site ranks high in search results is the fact it has a strong Google Business Profile. A good option for having a rudimentary online presence to set up using a business profile. However, once your website starts getting traffic, a basic website wouldn't be enough. You will need to have a website that's more brand friendly, has more web pages, a blog, mailing lists, e-commerce capabilities, among other features. Using SEMrush, we found this website has a high keyword count, which is largely due to having a strong Google Business Profile. Checking one of those keywords, we find it doesn't rank high enough. Had this business owner had a true website, this keyword's result position would have risen to be number 1. That's why business profile websites are very limited. Yet we see a lot of business owners having a strong online presence and a good reputation without moving to a professional website that better serves their target audience. They would rather prefer seeking third-party platforms for that matter. For instance, we have seen a lot of restaurants with positive reviews while having their food menu listed on an external website rather than their own. This is a big mistake. Placing the menu on your website provides content that enhances your local online authority and presence, leading to a significant increase in sales and website traffic. As you can see, free websites made with a Google Business Profile have limited reach when it comes to local SEO, something that negatively affects its ability to attract visitors. Now on to the main point, what about Google Sites? All of the things that we have talked about up till now had the purpose of pointing your attention to common mistakes you should avoid. Back to SEMrush, let's check out metrics like website traffic, keywords, and backlinks. Checking search traffic for this website, we found they are mostly looked up using the brand name. Going to the backlink analytics tab, we found a lot of backlinks have a no-follow attribute. Checking one of those links, we found their website address omitted due to not having a professionally developed website. Had this business owner had one, their domain authority and website traffic would have risen exponentially. As a quick fix, you can opt for building a website fast using Google Sites. If you'd like to improve your situation further, you could choose to upgrade to a premium plan on Google Workspace. You could also get yourself an e-commerce platform, a contact form, and mailing lists set up on an external platform, then link them to your website. However, this should be only considered a temporary solution as you have a maximum storage quota of 15 GB only. For those who got no traffic and backlinks, you could set up a free website on Google Sites and add it to Google Business Listings. Improve your social media presence and learn local SEO. As a side note, upon signing up for our newsletter, you will gain access to our checklist page that thoroughly covers all aspects of local SEO. We also strongly recommend you purchase a domain for your website. You also have to update your Google Business Card afterwards. Work getting SEO down, deploying your website, updating Google Business Profile, and setting up an e-commerce platform. We will make sure that we have them covered in upcoming videos. Let's get down to the real deal now. Go to the Google Sites page and sign into your Google account. Next, pick a template for your new website. You could expand the template gallery in this page to show more of them. Once you pick one, first thing you gotta do is to add your brand logo. Recommended dimensions are 1000 by 500 pixels. As you can see, a color scheme is automatically generated and suggested by the platform that matches your brand logo. Keep in mind to also apply the logo as a favicon. You also have the option to add a banner where you advertise some other web page through it with editable background color and textual content. There are multiple options to choose from when it comes to the header, as you can see there. Every UI element on the page is editable thanks to the website builder offered by Google Sites. Not to mention the intuitive context menus on the left hand side of the page, and those that appear once you start editing an element. On the right hand side menu you can find all the tools that you could use to build your website. Here we insert a text block where you are able to type in whatever you would like and style it accordingly. Images are also insertable using the images button, where you can either upload photos from your device or use those already uploaded on Google Drive. External links are embeddable as well, and a preview is generated automatically to match its page content. Content blocks are ready-made layouts that you could drag and drop onto your web page. As you can see, they are available in different forms, shapes, and sizes. Now onto the more generic elements. A collapsible group is a UI element that's possible to have its content hidden by means of a collapse technique, as you can collapse and uncollapse the group as desired. That's only possible when you enable its collapsible attribute. A table of contents element is a summary of your main headings that are included in the page. Google inserts it into the header section automatically. You can also choose to hide or unhide certain sub-elements as desired. An image carousel is a popular UI element for displaying more than one image within the same section. Google Sites allows to insert a bottom element while also specifying a link of a page for it to open upon clicking on it. As you can see, we are using the left-hand context menu to duplicate elements however we'd like. Dividers and spacers are elements that could come in handy when you would like to separate sections from each other. The social links element is there to help you display social media links of your business easily. You could type in your links in the fields, as well as being able to specify the brand logo of the social network in question. Placeholder elements are there to hold things like images as you combine them with other elements like blocks of text. YouTube videos are also insertable in case you had a video to display on your website. You could also add other elements like a Google Maps section, documents, presentations, spreadsheet files, submittable forms, and charts. The footer section is editable as well, as you can type in contact information like your business address, phone number, and email address. You can add, edit, and organize web pages as needed through the Pages tab. Google Sites offers enough variety of templates to choose from too. On the Google Sites navigation menu, basic action buttons are there to help you navigate the editor. The undo button reverts changes made with the last action you performed while using the editor. The redo button repeats an action that you have undone using the previous button. The preview button gives you an idea of how your website should look like upon publishing. While previewing, you could choose different view modes to see how it would look like on different devices like desktop and mobile ones. You could specify whether you would like your website to be viewed by a select few or just about anyone using the share options. We have gone over how to add the brand logo and an announcement banner already using the options dialog box. That's not all though. You can modify the website navbar style there as well, along with many other adjustments we will come to discuss in upcoming videos. Clicking on the More button, you could access other extras, such as Google Sites, privacy policy, terms of service, tool, and the help section. Lastly, once you're done building your website, click on the Publish button to start deploying. Enter the name of your website within the highlighted field for a start to have your website published using one of Google's own domains. Again, you can specify whom you would like to access this website with this option. Tick this checkbox if you would like search engines to filter out your website from search results for the time being. Once you are done, click on Publish. A pop-up banner will appear at the bottom of the website builder. Click on the View button to view your website. Your website is live now, fully functional with search functionality and navigation UI. An edit button appears at the lower right side of the page that you could click on to go back to editing the page in the website builder. We recommend checking out local competitor websites and measuring their web page count and content, as this should serve as a form of feedback for you to build upon while creating your website.